Why do some people succeed even without talent? कभी सोचा है कुछ लोग बिना टैलेंट के भी आगे कैसे निकल जाते हैं? So today I'll show you simple skill facts that can completely change your life. The real secret of success. Most people believe that talent is everything, but that's not true. Talent सिर्फ शुरुआत देता है, जीत skills दिलाती है. Talent might give you a head start, but skills decide how far you go. So skill is built and talent is just given. Next, as you can see, we have 20-hour rule. So here something powerful. सिर्फ 20 hours और आप beginner से better बन सकते हो. So you don't need years to learn a skill. With just 20 hours of focused practice, you can become better than most beginners. Yes, next we have consistency wins. That is true. This is where most people fail. लोग मोटिवेशन के पीछे भागते हैं, डिसिप्लिन के नहीं. So they demand and they just depend on motivation. But motivation comes and goes. Consistency is what actually builds skill. रोज के 30 minutes आपकी लाइफ बदल सकते हैं. That's correct. Next, we talk about discomfort. Discomfort is equals to growth. If learning feels hard, अगर आपको दर्द हो रहा है, राइट, तो समझ लीजिए आपकी ग्रोथ हो रही है. If it feels uncomfortable, that's a good sign because your growth only happens outside of your comfort zone. That's correct. Can you see skill stacking, right? So you don't need to be the best one in only skill. That means not only in one skill, एक skill नहीं, you have to be the skill का combination because that combination can change the game, right? So instead, you need a combine or multiple skills. So it's, for example, it can be your communication skills, your tech, and creativity. This makes you stand out instantly. Let's talk about why people fail. As I was talking, most people quit too early. लोग जीतने से पहले ही हार मान लेते हैं. So they just stop before results start showing, and that's why they never see success in life. So skill is not a magic. Skill कोई talent नहीं, एक habit होती है. And you know, it's your daily effort. Small actions repeated every day can create big results. So now, here, as you can see, you can just train, you can transform yourself daily. That's right. So start today. कल नहीं, आज से शुरू करो. Pick one skill, stay consistent, and watch your life change. So consistency ही असली superpower है. So if you want, yeah. So consistency ही असली superpower है. So that's it for the skill facts that I shared today. What is your thought? What do you feel? You can just comment. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.